Hi there again, everyone. Michael Bousfield here for Cascadia Clip, and I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks real fast to make your life easier and a bit quicker working with Cascadia clips, screws, and metal cladding supports. Here goes. Save time during the cladding support installation process by eliminating on-site drilling for using the Cascadia clips and GIRTS. Order pre-punched GIRTS from Cascadia. It's our standard product. Install the Cascadia clip onto the wall with the GIRTS as a combined component. Save time doing pre-assembly as opposed to two different steps installing cladding supports on the wall. Do this by attaching the Cascadia clips onto the GIRT in the specified spacing all the way down the 1-story tall GIRT. Put the screws through the clip and GIRT and attach one near the top. Don't tighten it all the way up, and it'll hold itself plumb for you. Just push it on the wall, put in the rest of the screws, and go on to the next one. One worker can do this step. You don't need to be a team. If you're installing the Cascadia clips and fasteners over top of a wall with a loose laid waterproof and air barrier membrane, and the architect has a stipulated sealant be installed where the fasteners are going to penetrate the membrane, make your life easy by applying that blob of sealant onto the Cascadia clip at the two holes where the screws will come through, then put the GIRTS and clips up onto the walls and screw in. As before, preserve your ability to do pre-assembly, and you'll have a good airtight installation. Install Cascadia clips onto a concrete wall or hollow concrete masonry unit backup wall using concrete screws. A couple of tricks to make sure that goes well. Number one, pre-drill with a bit that's 5/32 or 3/16 of an inch. In general, that's 1/16 of an inch smaller diameter than the screw. Number two, drill carefully, don't drill violently. Especially for hollow concrete masonry units, don't blow out the back of the concrete wall that your drill is going through. Thirdly, use a rotation-only drill or driver to install the screws. Don't use an impact driver. Install Cascadia clips and self-drilling screws onto a steel stud wall easily. Do this by selecting an impact driver that rotates at about 2000 RPM, and most importantly, don't try to force it. There's a mini drill bit here that gets better pullout than typical fasteners, but it requires a moment of patience when you're letting the drill bit do the work. So let it do its work. Don't do its work for it. Don't exhaust yourself pushing on this drill bit. Let it screw itself in, and you'll be more efficient than if you're pushing hard.